I am David Orr. We're at the Hot Rod Reunion here at Bowling Green, Kentucky at Beach Bend Raceway. Well, I've always wanted to build a small van. This is a 1979 Chevrolet P10. It's been dropped 5 inches in the front, 6 inches in the back. It's got disc brakes all the way around. It's got an LS 2004 Trailblazer LS, 300 horse. Should go everywhere. I mean, I just drive everywhere. Matter of fact, it's only been built for 2 years and I've already got over 30,000 miles on it. It's a great running vehicle. I've got a 59 Chevrolet dash in it. It's got 54 Chevrolet hubcaps. I tried to use a lot of vintage stuff on it to give it that vintage look. I've been involved with the American Cancer Society for probably the last 25 years. 10 years ago, I kind of broke off with the American Cancer Society, still involved with them, but I want to do my own thing to raise my own money for the American Cancer Society. So I was always been involved in car shows, and I said, I bet you $1 I can put on a bicycle show. So we started a bicycle show 10 years ago, not knowing how big it would grow. But now it's one of the largest bicycle shows east of the Mississippi River. So that's where we get the whole thing, get a grip. And then as I was building it, I thought, man, my walls need to be pegboard, so that way I could change the decor anytime I want to with pegboard. And that worked out good. Then I said I need some cabinets in the back to store my t-shirts and stuff like that in. So I put the cabinets in the back. And it just kept evolving, and then it'll still evolve. And it seemed like just everything we did just kept falling into place.